Got another little update for you. I sort of got ahead of the camera here quite a bit, but I built the assembly for the lower A-arms, and it just welds into the frame, so now I can start doing the front end. I have something to build off of. So I'm gonna try to start making the lower A-arms today, and we have those bolted on, and I want to check out how I'm doing as far as corner to corner, and I'll have a better idea of how square it is. Hey guys, a little update on the A-arms here, the lower A-arms for the front end. I got these built up. This is basically what's important about these A-arms, because your rod end link mounts into the end of this, and this is your pivot tube right here. So this is welded up square on each one perfectly. So now I'm basically good to do the support bars that go in here, which aren't as important but are still important because they're gonna govern where the shock will mount, right? So one goes in there like that, and then another one goes in there all the way from over here, and all three of them coat together there in the middle. So I got a little bit of grinder work to do here. It's gonna take me a while, but I'll get her. One of the A-arms welded up here, and the shock mounts put on it, all the braces. Looks pretty good. That's one A-arm, and the other A-arm still looks like this, but that's what it went from today. It went from right here to there basically. So tomorrow I'll get the other one done, and I'm expecting a package in the mail pretty soon with lots of crucial parts, so we'll have hopefully a good build day coming up soon. I finished both control arms finally. There's one for the left side and one for the right side. There. So now I'm going to machine some Delrin bushings for those A-arms so I can get them mounted, and that's probably a good start on those. Machining the Delrin bushings there for the front A-arms. Big mess, but I'm going to throw some red oxide primer on those before I hammer the bushings in and see how those look. Here we go guys, the front lower A-arms are on here. I should be getting the upper A-arms very soon here, and we'll get those put on, and front end will be basically together. I just checked it with a tape measure, corner to corner, and we're bang on square, so that's a good sign. I was really worried about that, and I couldn't really tell until I have these A-arms on. But yeah, it's looking good. The arms are on. It's starting to look like a full buggy finally. Here, I'll stand back. Pretty nice.